With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, the question says which of the following statement is correct regarding probability density except infinity. First option is for 2p cannot be 0, for 3p second option for 3p cannot be 0, third option for 1s can be 0, and fourth option for 2s never be 0. So we know that this probability density is graph can be drawn. It is basically r versus r. Now here this r represents the distance from the nucleus, right? Now we know the radial node. What is radial node? So it is radial node is n minus l minus 1. This is the formula with which we can calculate the radial node value. So first we will calculate the radial node of 2s, 3p, 1s and 2s. So radial node of 1s is value of n is 1, for s value of l is equal to 0 and minus 1. So total value comes to be 0. Now in case of 2s it is value of n 2, for s l is 0 minus 1 which is equal to 1. Now if you calculate the value of 2p and 3p, it is for 2p total value is n value is 2, for p l value is 1 minus 1, it comes out to be 0, and in case of 3p n value is 3 minus l value is 1 minus 1 which comes out to be 1. So here we have calculated the radial node of 1s, 2s, 2p and 3p. Let us see the graph. Let us look after the graph of 1s, 2s, 2p and 3p. So if we draw the graph of 1s, which is r square upon r, that is radial probability, it looks like this, right? If we again draw the graph of r square versus r of 2s, it looks like it will touch here and then again it will look like this, right? If we calculate the if we draw the graph of this 2p, so 2p graph will look like this, r square r, it will look like this, it will look like this, it will not touch here. So it is the graph of 2p. Now if we look at 3p, so graph of 3p will be like this. Here it will cut once and then it will move, it will look like this. Now let us see the option, which option is correct and which option is incorrect. So first option says for 2p can never be 0. First option says for 2p can never be 0. So for 2p here is, so here it comes out to be 0. See here, it comes out to be 0. So first option is incorrect. Now if we look for 3p, it is here, it is written here for 3p it can be 0. So if we look at the graph of 3p, so if you look at the graph of 3p, it comes out to be 0. No, it is not 0. It comes out, wait. It is for 2p can be 0. Now if we talk about 2p or 3p, what is it? 3p. So if we talk about 3p, here it is 0 and here also it is 0. So it can be 0, right? So it can be 0. So it is correct. Now for 1s can be 0. Now if we look at the graph of 1s, it is never look like to be 0. So third option is also incorrect. If we talk about fourth option is for 2s never be 0. If we look at the graph of 2s, so 2s here it is 0. So fourth option is also what? Fourth option is also incorrect. So second option is your correct answer. Okay, thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.